Picture this. You've worked tirelessly to put together a new software application. It's running flawlessly on your machine, and you're feeling pretty good about it. But then you share it with your team, and suddenly, it's a cascade of error messages. Your perfect application doesn't work on their machines. Frustrating, isn't it? This is a common scenario in the world of software development, where different environments introduce unique bugs and challenges. But what if there was a way to avoid this? Enter Docker, a platform designed to make it easier to create, deploy, and run applications using containerization. Now you might be wondering, what is containerization? And why should it matter to you? Well, think of a container as a box. Inside this box, you have everything your application needs to run. The code, libraries, dependencies, everything. This container ensures that your application can run smoothly, regardless of the environment. Whether it's on your laptop, in a data center, or in the cloud, your application behaves the same way. The beauty of Docker and containerization is that it guarantees portability. It's like packing your suitcase for a trip. You ensure you have everything you need, all packed and ready to go, no matter where you're headed. Docker does the same for your software application, but that's not all. Docker also makes it easy to manage and scale your applications. It allows you to isolate your applications into separate containers, making it simpler to understand and manage complex applications. It also makes it easier to scale up or down, depending on your needs. So, to sum it up, Docker and containerization are all about simplifying the process of software development. It's about ensuring that your application runs the same way, regardless of where it's deployed. It's about making your life as a developer easier, allowing you to focus on creating, knowing your application will run anywhere, anytime. For this challenge, begin with a basic web application and containerize it using Docker. We've prepared an application in various programming languages. As a starting point, your task will involve creating a Docker file to outline your app's dependencies and environment. Following that, you'll build your Docker image and launch your container. This task is an excellent introduction to Docker basics and showcases the incredible benefits of containerization for enhancing the efficiency of your development workflow and the robustness and scalability of your applications. So, are you ready to embrace this game-changing approach to software development? Remember, mastering Docker and containerization is not just about learning a new tool. It's about acquiring a skill that is increasingly indispensable in the modern world of software development. It's time to say goodbye to the frustrating "it works on my machine" scenario and hello to a more efficient, scalable, and manageable way of building software.